Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tea kettle. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a suitable metal sheet, perhaps copper or stainless steel, about 0.8 millimeters thick. Also, prepare your metalworking tools, a hammer, an anvil, and soldering equipment. Don't forget crucial safety gear like heavy-duty gloves and eye protection to ensure a safe working environment throughout the process. Now let's form the kettle's main body. Begin by cutting a circular base and a rectangular piece for the sides from your chosen metal sheet. Carefully shape the rectangular piece into a cylinder, then securely solder the seam to create a strong, watertight joint. Finally, attach the circular base to the bottom of the cylinder, ensuring a tight and durable connection. Next, we'll add the spout and handle. Fashion a spout from a smaller metal piece, tapering it for efficient pouring. For the handle, consider a comfortable design, perhaps from wood or a bent metal rod, ensuring it's heat-resistant. Carefully position and securely solder both the spout and the handle to the kettle body, making sure they are robust and well-aligned for practical use. For the final touches, smooth all edges and surfaces using fine-grit sandpaper or a file to ensure a safe and polished finish. Thoroughly clean the entire kettle, removing any soldering flux or metal residue. Finally, perform a crucial leak test by filling the kettle with water and checking for any drips. This ensures your handmade tea kettle is fully functional and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.